In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up divisions for supervisors. Before starting, here are a few things you should know. Firstly, if a supervisor doesn't belong to a division, then a supervisor will have access to all chat rooms according to his or her assigned channel. Secondly, if a supervisor belongs to more than one division, the supervisor will have access to all chat rooms under the specified divisions and channels. Thirdly, only the admin can make adjustments to the supervisor by division feature. Follow these steps to create a new division. Go to the Settings menu and select Agent Management. Scroll down and click on Division List. Click the Create Division button. Fill in the division name and then click Save. Next, to add a supervisor to a division, click the Supervisor List section and select a supervisor. In the division field, select a division from the list provided. Click Save. You can now view the divisions that have been added into the information section of the supervisor list. Supervisors must relog in to view changes in the division settings. The Supervisor by Division feature in Qiscus will help you to divide supervisors according to the divisions allocated by the company. With this feature, supervisors can easily manage agents and chat rooms according to their respective branches and channels for better customer handling. What then are the differences between supervisors with divisions and without? In this tutorial, we will use two different supervisor accounts as a comparison. Firstly, the supervisor's general account is not allocated a specific division. Secondly, the Jakarta supervisor account is placed under the Jakarta division. This is the inbox menu of the supervisor's general account. As you can see, there are conversations under the Unserved tab. A list of agents from different divisions will appear under the Served tab. Now, let's log in to the Jakarta supervisor account. Under the Unserved tab in the Inbox menu, there are no existing conversations. When opening one of the chat rooms under the Served tab, the supervisor will only see a list of agents placed in the same division after clicking Add Agent. Apart from the differences in the list of agents, the analytics report for each supervisor will also differ depending on their divisions. For example, the Conversations per Agent section under the Agent Performance tab for supervisors with a division will only contain data of agents from the same division. Meanwhile, if a supervisor has no division, the Conversations per Agent section will contain data for all agents and their divisions. Other analytics reports under the General, Chats, and other tabs will also be different according to the division each supervisor belongs to.